Now this is another interesting questions. In this question they said, draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. And we need to construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. मतलब okay, let's start it very simply. पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we will draw a line segment of 8 सेंटीमीटर वाला लाइन सेगमेंट का हम लोग पहले एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो दिस इज अ सर्कल ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट 8 सेंटीमीटर. ऑलराइट, sorry, not circle, this is a line segment, sorry. So this is a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Now this is taking A as center. So पहले उसका नाम दे देते हैं. This is our A and this is our B. This is taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. अभी A को सेंटर बना के 4 सेंटीमीटर वाला एक रेडियस वाला एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है हमें. So this is our 4 centimeter. I can mark it here, it can be very easy for us to understand. And taking B as center, we need to draw a circle of 3 centimeter. So B से 3 सेंटीमीटर वाला सेंटर पहले निकाल लेते हैं, बाद में ये आसान बन जाएगा. So this is another point we got. Now what we'll do, A को सेंटर बना के, you can see this is A center and this is our 4 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस लेंथ. पहले इसको एक सर्कल बनाते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज आवर सर्कल. ऑफ रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर. बिल्कुल ऐसे ही B को सेंटर बना के, टेकिंग B एज सेंटर एंड दिस इज रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर. 3 सेंटीमीटर लेके हम लोग और एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. Alright, so this is the first thing they said. Now if you read the questions once again, they said construct tangents to each circle. मतलब दोनों सर्कल के ऊपर tangents ड्रॉ करना है. कैसे? From the center of other circle to construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. मतलब इस सर्कल का सेंटर से इस सर्कल के ऊपर दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है और इस सर्कल का सेंटर से इस सर्कल के ऊपर और दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना है. तो इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, व्हाट विल डू, we'll divide this line segment first. The process is same almost for all the mesh, just the questions are different. So this is a line segment AB. पहले हम लोग more than middle, if this is middle, more than middle से हम लोग उसको पहले line segment को हम लोग divide करते हैं. the same process. Alright, taking this as center, this intersecting here, this is intersecting here. What we'll do, इसी लाइन सेगमेंट को हम लोग अभी उसको डिवाइड कर लेंगे. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ डिवीजन ऑफ द लाइन सेगमेंट. अभी इसी पॉइंट से हम लोग आसानी से विल डू द इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट्स ऑफ द सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ बोथ द सर्कल. सो वी कैन टेक दिस ए कॉमन. सो एज द लाइन, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग, एज द लाइन इज ऑफ 8 centimeter, and if it is a divisions, if this point is a division, this will definitely come as 4 centimeter. So we can see we are intersecting here, we are intersecting here. All right, so if we are intersecting here, we can draw exactly the tangents in this way. We can see okay. So we can draw the tangents here. As you can see, it's just passing this point over here, and we can draw another tangent similarly on this circle, which is just touching a point on the circumference. So ultimately we can say, sorry, this is the point here and this is the point here where the tangent touches the point of the circumference. Similarly, what we can do, from this point if this is the point of, will intersect here also here also. All right, in this circle, and from the center we can draw the tangent. As we can see, it is just touching a part of the circle, not part, a particular point of the circle, and from this point if we draw, we get the same. So this point is the where the tangent touches the circle. So if you wish, you can draw the radius on both the circle. It's up to you. We can draw the radius, and we see this radius is exactly making 90 degree with the tangents. You can see the line on the ruler and this line matching with this tangent line. If we wish, we can draw another radius here just for checking whether the tangent is making 90 degree or not. As you can see, this is the line on the ruler. This line is coincidence with the tangent line. So this is also correct. So this is another 90 degree. Now if you wish, you can give the radius of both the circles. This is 3 centimeter. Here we can write. ओके इसका नाम दे देते हैं BP, इसका नाम देते हैं AQ दे देते हैं, ठीक है. सो A से उसके ऊपर दे देते हैं उसका नाम AC, इसके ऊपर देते AD. So AC and AD is the tangents on the circle B with center B, and this entire length of the line is what, 8 centimeter. Total length of the line is 8 centimeter. Now B से A वाला सेंटर के सर्कल का नाम देते हैं BE, और इसके ऊपर जो लाइन होता है tangents, that is we let us give BF. So if you wish, you can write it down also here. Though steps are not mandatory nowadays, not required also according to CBSE. What you need to do, आप लोग सिर्फ ये लिखो, BC is the radius with center B. We can give the radius BC is 3 centimeter. All right. A is the radius of another circle with center A. उसका रेडियस है आपका 4 सेंटीमीटर. द लेंथ ऑफ ए बी, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है, ए बी लेंथ इज व्हाट, 8 सेंटीमीटर. 2 टेंजेंट्स वी गॉट. वन इज ए सी फ्रॉम सर्कल फ्रॉम सेंटर ए टू द सर्कल विथ सेंटर बी is AC and AD are the tangents. 2 tangents, both are equal. Another tangents we find BE and BF. BE and BF, both the tangents are also equal.